mga kapati, so I'm so excited today because this is my very first mommy there. I still can't believe I'm a mom. And there are different booths here and I'm so excited to try them all. So let's go. Let's go hang out with fellow mothers. Let's go. Yes, of course we're gonna sign up. Thank you. Yes. Guys, there are different booths here. I wanna try. Hey, we're gonna try this. Ready and go.
Go, mommy, go.
Any way you want, as long as it's a structure.
Yes.
Okay.
Yay.
This is why natapos po muna si Mommy Justin and si Mommy Ruth before Mommy Bea before Miss Ruth is because we get more classes of milk with Hip Organic versus our competition.
Oh, wow, that's smart.
So,
Yes.
alright, Mommy Bea. So, milk taste po tayo. So,
Milk
the
taste
first
test.
one is Hip Organic.
Okay.
Versus brand A versus brand
Ah.
B. Taste the difference, Mommy Bea.
Wait, I'll smell it first. Feeling ko alam ko na kasi let's try.
Guys!
Hello.
Which one is the matamis and the walang lasa?
Hindi ito yung hip,
Yes,
no?
why?
Kasi it's sweet eh. Tapos ito yung hip kasi it's not sweet.
Tama!
Okay, yay.
Galing ni Mommy Bea!
Yeah. Go, Mommy, go! Go, Mommy, go! Thank you. Grabe yung difference ha.
Lasa. Super tatak.
Super,
We
oo nga.
don't want that to our kids, especially.
Of course. Yay! Yes, tapos may magko-comment na naman pagka mayayaman, mahilig sa libre. Siyempre.
Thank you for playing our kids. Dating Sakto.
Ay!
Go, mommy, go! The first, yes.
Go, mommy, go! Mommy, go! Go, 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 mommy, go!
We have brought together amazing moms. That's not us. Okay, so can you still remember moms the first time that you held your child? Can you please tell the person beside you, we made it? Kasi celebrate natin yan, diba? Titignan na yung harap ng face, diba? Titignan mo rin yung different parts of his or her body kung healthy siya. It's also the same when we buy something for our kids, especially for the milk. Yes. You will see that it's certified as organic. You can see that there are no hidden sugars for the growth of our kid. And of course, as moms, remember, 15 grams naman per day. Or insecticides, nor artificial growth hormones.
Hello, moms. How are you? So let's take a look how much you save. Because of that, when you use organic, say 22